How to disable device control on your Redmi device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can disable the device control on your Redmi device. To disable device control on your Redmi device, you have to follow this step. First of all, go to your phone setting here. So once you are on your phone setting, you have to navigate to the additional setting here. Just scroll down, and if you find the additional setting, you can go for that. If you don't find that, you have to just go for the search bar, and here on your additional setting, if you find the battery performance, let's go on that. Here there is no any battery performance, so here you can see the battery. Just tap on the battery. So once you have tap on the battery, you have to look for the option related to battery. You have to look for the option related to battery saver or performance setting. Performance setting that might include device control setting. Here you can see the battery saver here, so there is no any option of performance setting. So if there is any specific setting for device control or similar, you can toggle it off. Also, you can go back and you can go and source or here, just go for the device control. So once you have tapped the device control, here you can see that there is no any device control. Also, you can go back to your app here. So once you are on your app, here you have to select the all app. There is any permission or setting that related to the device control in your app. After making these changes, you can restart your device and ensure that take the effect. So if you are unable to find the exact setting, please specify what you are trying to disable. So like remote control feature or specific device control. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily know and disable your device control. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.